Okay, guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto projects and much, much more. We got a hot live one for you right now, rocking and launching, and we're going to dive on in. We're talking about Baby RWA. Now, there's massive hype around this. We have the launch, which just kicked off here. We are live over on Telegram. We are live on multiple socials right now. We are rocking. We had an AMA going. We are pinned inside the main chats, giving you all of the latest and greatest information and news about this project. You know we are in it to win it, and we are rocking and we are pushing. Don't forget to swing by, smash those likes, subscribe to the channel, get you rocking. I'm going to drop the website inside the chat for anybody that wants to push and join us. I'm going to go ahead and drop the Telegram link inside the socials. This way we can get all of you guys out there with the latest and greatest information and much, much more. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're going to dive on into it. Baby RWA. What does the RWA stand for? Real World Asset. Listen. Discover a new frontier in cryptocurrency with Baby RWA. Explore the potential of real-world assets, tokenization, revolutionizing the way you interest and engage with tangible assets. Our platform offers a secure gateway to tokenize assets from the physical world and bring them into the blockchain, providing an unparalleled transparency, accessibility, and opportunity. Okay, so we have these links here. We have home, about, tokenomics, contract, and you can hit your buy now. Let's go ahead and see. It hops right over to Pancake Swap, so you can make sure that you have BNB inside your wallet and you can connect and load. All you have to do is go ahead and hit that buy now button. You can hit that you understand, import the contract, and you'll be able to be connected to be able to grab yourself that bag. We can take a look at the chart. Right now we are over here live. I'm on Dex Tools. We have all of our charts live. We have updated information. You can see that Baby RWA has updated their logos and the dev is on point and based. Okay, so this is the utilization, and we're showing you the chart right now. Perfect entries, and you can see market cap right now sitting 66K, liquidity 27.1K, 365 holders, but you can actually see we're going to hop on over to the contract. Let's go ahead and take a look at Baby RWA, and you can see coming in right now, right below that 500 holder mark, which is definitely bullish. Okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing here, and I'm liking this information news, and we're going through it. Let's go ahead and see what else they have to offer us. So we took a look at the chart, we saw the chats, we saw the buys, so everything's working good, and you guys can go ahead and take that, look at, so you get your information, and you can rock out with us. I actually like the background of this. You know, it gives me that comic feel, comedic, so, you know, a good, presentable website gives you a good product, right? Okay, about RWA. Let's go ahead and read about. Welcome to RWA, your premier destination for unlocking the potential of real-world assets on the BSC network. At Baby RWA, we are passionate about bringing the gap between traditional finance and groundbreaking world technology, blockchain technology. Founded by a team of seasoned experts in finance, blockchain, and technology, Baby RWA is driven by a singular vision: to democratize access to real-world assets through tokenization. With years of experience in the crypto space, our team recognized the immense potential of RWAs to revolutionize the way individuals and institutions invest, trade, interact with tangible assets. Now, when you have RWAs, we're actually going to take a look when we go down more into like the tokenization part of it to see really what potential and aspects that they can look at. But you're tokenizing assets on the chains, like different bonds, U.S. bond yields, and different assets, stocks, mirrored assets, and all that kind of stuff, because they want to bring real-world assets onto blockchains. Blockchains are a ledger of information that holds all of the information, so things can be done much more efficiently with blockchain technology. Now, Binance BSC has been a frontier, has been a front runner in the game. And as you know, we got BSC, we got Solana, and we got Ethereum, the top dogs there in crypto, and they all have their own niche markets that they're going to grab. Okay, you can see we hit over here, X, we swing over to Baby RWA. Let's go ahead and just reload this so we can swing through some of their latest tweets. All right, so you make sure that you get on over there and you rock out with those tweets so you can get all of your information, right? The launch, okay? renounced ownership, renounces ownership. So since I looked at this, we actually have more tweets that they put out, which is excellent. Contract has been renounced. So you could go over here and you could take a look. Let's go look at the contract. We go into read the contract. We swing down here and we go to owner, and you can see contract has been renounced. Okay. They have Dex Tools update, what we showed you. They updated their logos and information, which is excellent. And they have all of their different calls, callers, information, news, and much, much more, all on their social media page. That way you can get with it, find all your information and news. And also, we have Telegram, which is going to bring you over to the Telegram chat. And then this is going to give you everything that you need, okay, to join us. All right, so we got live right now. Yep, right. Join me live. Hit the likes now. All right. So we talked about real world asset tokenization and much more, right? What are the tokenomics? Okay, what is that? 50 quadrillion. We have our contract address, which we looked at. Baby RWA, BSC network. All right, it's a zero tax. Okay, now understanding RWAs, you can read more into that, and then just to give you guys an outlook of what the applications look and how real world assets are looking. So basically you have the different contracts and contacts on the blockchain, and when you tokenize a real world asset, there you can follow all the information and you get different yields, and you know, depending on what your investment goals are and depending on your diversification of your portfolio, this is what you're going to be looking at as far as real world assets. So these are the opportunities, like I was telling you. Look at this: on-chain money funds, all right, BlackRock USD institutional digital liquidity. So something I could see happening for Baby RWA is, since it's on BSC Smart Chain, and they can be developing a DApp that which would bring the Baby RWA token in a position to be able to be liquidity paired up with some of the real world assets, tokenization, and then also if you want to tokenize property, information, data, okay, that can all be done on the blockchain, okay, and then put into information. So the applications are endless for these Baby RWA. Yeah, you know, to answer your question, Coyote, all right, yeah, you know, we're looking for a lot of stuff. So we have a lot of things that are going to be coming out for RWA by looking at their marketing plans and previous projects and all that. So we still have listings coming up. We have more partner calls and AMAs coming up. So right now, basically how it's trading is you have the volatility of the project. All right, so as you can see, we're coming into a dip right now, you know, and then you do see this happening in projects. You know, you have your initial start off from your pre-sales, and then you have the opportunities, people getting out, you know, they call it shaking them out, and then we have an influx. So the developer that's behind this is very passionate about the project, and I do see potential in building and utilizing Baby RWA as a tokenization platform for real-world assets. So there's a lot of applications that can happen here: mirrored assets, real-world assets, tokenizations, and all that. And they're packed with information. There's a lot of different news. So there's nothing here that you know, leads me to believe otherwise. This is definitely a bullish narrative trending in the space, and it's something that we could see, you know, happening. Just talking about real-world assets, tokenizations. And another thing happening, real estate. Now this is going to be big too, because just imagine, right, and think about the development opportunities for an application to be able to have a piece of real estate or own property, okay, and then be able to tokenize that property for people to own fractions of the property. Instead of buying a property whole, you can buy a fraction of the property, and as the general yield and the real estate or property is volatile and it goes up, okay, the tokenized asset would go up, reflecting that increase in value over long term. So holding cash gives you nothing, right? You hold $1 10 years from now, you're not going to be able to buy the same stuff with that dollar. Now, if you hold $1 and say, Bitcoin, BNB, okay, 10 years from now, that's going to be a very different price. All right, so you got to think about that and how they have it going on. Now, real world assets too have stablecoin things. So there's different categories where you can get into stable coins, hold it, get your yields, and then when you get your yields, you could diversify your portfolio by holding other tokenized assets and holding big assets. So there's a strategy behind it that you can utilize, right? So this is a general look of how RWAs look, real world assets, and the development of DApps to be able to get yourself into those different real world assets, right? So we took a look at this, and then basically explore Baby RWA. Our mission is to empower investors of all backgrounds to participate in this transformative ecosystem. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the cryptocurrency world, our user-friendly platform provides a seamless experience for exploring, investing, and trading tokenized assets. So you could see all your information. You got your website address. So if you want to get any information or you want to talk to the team, you can reach out to them. Don't forget to stop by Telegram and the live different socials, because this is where you're going to get all your information. Always stay safe. Make sure you get your right information from the chats, from the different news drops, and the team. Okay, so we looked through the website. We looked through and talked about what tokenized assets are. We talked about how to get it onto PancakeSwap, how to buy. You can go back to the beginning of the video too to find out that, but we showed you how to do that. And then we took a look at different social media. So we went through the socials, went through the website, talked about a basic review. Now we'll be following this. I will be rocking out in the chat with you guys. Any information or news that you may need, you can go and tag me, ask, and we'll be very forthcoming, and the dev is based, okay? We'll have more AMAs coming up, live VCs, YouTube lives, Twitter spaces. We have this coming for you guys. Don't forget to swing by and hit all of the different shilling information and news. Now, if you're a holder, you make sure you shill your bags. Go ahead, drop a tweet. Go ahead to some of the token vote sites. You can see all of that. Now, to look of their pinned information that they have going on now, there's 65 different pinned things. So you can see the stuff that's happened so far, and this is within the first couple hours of launch. Already updated all their logos and renounced contracts, different tweets, calls, call channels, information, and you have all of your vote sites. So anybody that's watching, just take a minute to swing by, go to those vote sites, vote for your assets, okay? All right, guys, we talked about Baby RWA. I can't wait to see what we have in store for you guys. Mad love and respect. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe to the channel, rock out with us. As always, mad love and respect. We talked about Baby RWA, bringing the latest and greatest crypto products.